Hi friends, Sheila Lanier here with Homework Remodels and Tri-Light Builders. I help people love their home again through the remodel process. I'm here today to share with you one of our finished projects. We are so thrilled with how this project turned out. We did a two-story addition on this far end where we see the stepped wall. On the bottom floor is a storage room off the master bedroom suite, and the second story is a serving patio from the kitchen and dining area. We added it on to the patio you can see over there that comes off the living room area of the home, and then we added that what do I call that, roof structure that's over that patio so it can be enclosed. If you look real close, and I'll share some pictures of it also that are a little closer up, you'll see there's a couple of misting fans up there to make it a really nice, comfortable living space when people are outside enjoying it. And the homeowner was actually able purchasing heaters so that you could use it almost 4 seasons here in Arizona, which is super awesome. There are some beautiful curtains up there to help soften the lines of the roof structure and patio cover structure. And then we painted it. We gave it a nice complementary paint color. So we've got a lighter body color and then the really dark trim color, which makes all the architectural details stand out on the home. I'll share a few pictures of the front of the home with you also, so you can see more of the architectural details. Thank you so much for joining us as we give you just a little bit of a hint of what this project turned out to be. We'll have more pictures to show later, but we just wanted to get this one out to you now. Thanks so much for enjoying this journey with us. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.